So let us see what do we have here for you guys today. Just pick up only the messages. Oh, thank you so much ha. Ang ating family ay growing, no? We now nasa 84K plus, no, sa ating family. So I hope lumaki pa tayo at lumago, no. Sana mahigatan pa natin talaga, no, yung 100K na members no ng ating family dito no sa The High Priestess Tarot. And yes, mga babes, no, thank you so much sa inyo talagang walang sawang support and appreciate ko kayo. Yes, bawat isa sa inyo. Maraming maraming salamat po no. Hindi to magiging possible no without you guys. Thank you so much no for inspiring me to continue this purpose, okay? This gift that I have. So maraming maraming thank you po, my love. So yeah, let's go ahead and tingnan natin no, kung anong meron dito sa inyong reading. Okay. Oh, iki 뭐야. 아니, 무슨 소리야. Yeah, 누가 그래. Kung sino man tong energy na to mga babes, no? Wow. I do pick up that whoever it is, no, ngayon lang nangyari to sa reading, mga mahal, no? Yung ayaw ipakita yung pinakaklarong mensahe, no? So, I do not really get that this is a negative person that you're dealing with, but it looks like with the Wheel of Fortune right in here and a lot of major arcanas right in here, no, kung papansin mo, inumpisahan tayo ng sunod-sunod na major arcanas, Wheel of Fortune, Lovers right in here, Strength card, Magician, the Moon, okay? This individual, kung sino man itong kumo-connect sa inyo na energy 'no, hindi siya negative energy but because kaya hindi nare-reveal ang lahat-lahat 'no ng mensahe rito. This person that you're dealing with or that you are about to deal with here is someone who is very high spiritual, no? Very high spiritual siya rito, no? In other words, with the Wheel of Fortune present right in here, no? Sa kanyang past life, no? Hindi po siya ordinary na person. Yeah, okay? Whoever it is, no, naka-connect nyo rito, no, sa kanyang past life ay hindi siya ordinary person. That's why, hindi nare-reveal lahat-lahat, no? Yeah, pero tingnan pa rin natin ng mga babes, no? Yeah, this person right in here has this um powerful 'no, na block 'no, ng pag-alam ng lahat ng mga mensaheng nakapaloob dito. Pero siyempre mga babes 'no, dahil ito ay, isang klase na hindi naman sa hinahamon niya ako 'no, pero parang nakikipagtagisan siya sa'kin rito 'no. Okay, so let me see more. Eight of Wands energy, Ten of Pentacles, wow, Ten of Pentacles, center of the reading 'no. But you know, the energy right in here 'no, is giving me that very light vibe, no, and at the same time positive. So, masasabi ko na agad, no, na right off the bat, you're dealing here with a very good person. Yes. This person here is someone no, who's very nice, thoughtful, caring, and definitely such a good person talaga. Okay, we have here the world. Okay, what's with the world? Okay, okay, Four of Wands energy, Two of Cups. Okay, okay. Okay, another major arcana. So let's count your major arcanas right in here, no, sa inyong reading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 major arcanas, no? So, okay, walang nagkataon lang. Everything happens for a reason, no? So, I do pick up, no, na itong person na to nakakaloka. Well, definitely this is your person, sweetheart, no? The one that you're connected connecting with, no, kung ka-connect mo na ito ngayon, no, but yeah, this is timeless. Puwedeng ito ay maka-connect mo pa lang, no, pero wow, 'di ba? So, before we dive more sa inyong reading, let me just make bate everyone first. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome. And returning Istam buyers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. New subscribers, you can also bring your loved ones here, no? Kahit na yung mga crushes ninyo. Go! At kung hindi niyo pa alam, meron pa tayong other channel link down below sa ating description box. If interested, just click lamang yung link para mapunta kayo doon at araw-araw nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. And yan, so na tayo dito ang gender, no, bae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin pong iswitch ang mga roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit kasi general reading ito and at the end of the day, lahat ay, yeah, I'm sorry pala, no, I just realized now, no, na nag-Korean pala ako, no, dun sa aking first, no, na introduction sa inyong reading. No, ngayon ko lang I'm sorry about that, no. And yeah, please excuse, no, may Tagalog words, no, for the new subscribers. Thank you so much. And yes, mga babes, no. Okay, going back right in here, timeless ito. Pwedeng nangyari na, sa iba nangyayari na, sa iba mangyayari pa lang. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates, no. But here, I do see, no, na kung sino man tong energy na ito, no, this is the energy here of someone, no, extraordinary. So, nung kanyang past life dito, no, this person right in here is not a human being. Yeah. So, I do pick up, no, na this person right in here is extraordinary. Okay? But this time, no, with the world card energy, it looks like the universe, no, ginawa naman siya, universe, God himself, ginawa naman siya, no, na human form, no. So, tao naman siya in this lifetime period, no. And, nagulat ako kasi with the 8 of Wands energy right in here and the moon, itong person na 'to hindi niya alam 'no, yung kanya ritong nakaraan 'no, at wala rin siya ritong kaidi-ideya ngayon, yeah 'no. At hindi rin po siya mahilig sa mga tarot or energy readings like this, yeah, I'm pertaining to your person that is extraordinary. So, I do pick up na kung sino man 'tong person ninyo na wala siyang kaalam-alam sa kanya rito 'no, na, mahiwagang past 'no. And yes, kung sino man ito 'no, kahit hindi niya yun alam 'no, nakikita natin dito that it is being revealed by the moon as well, that with the Magician card energy, Lovers 'no, and the Wheel of Fortune. So, Miss Yan, kung sinasabi mo na yung person ko ay yung person na hindi siya human form dati. So, ano siya dati? Well, I do pick up, no, na ano man siya dati, this person here is someone who is one of the divine unseen forces, no? Okay, I really do not have a specific, no, na kanya ritong katauhan dati, pero ini-embodies niya rito. Like, yung role niya dati is yung nakakatulong siya sa iba, okay? This could be a guardian angel. This could be an individual, no, who helps person, no? And I do pick up, no, na yung role niya is puwedeng siya ay Cupid, okay? Puwede rin siya rito na diwata, okay? Puwede rin siya rito na fairy, no? So, I do see wala tayong gender dito, okay? Babae, lalaki, LGBT. I do see na kung sino man 'tong person mo na 'to mahiwaga with the magical, no, magical past 'no, itong tao na 'to na mahiwaga 'no, ang kanya ritong nakaraan 'no. That's why ang nakikita ko dito, ay ito lamang na mga binabanggit ko because this person here 'no, without being aware of the situation 'no, na meron siya sa kanyang life, this person right in here 'no, is someone na nakikita ko na person mo. Siya yung person na nakatakda sa'yo. In fact, siya yung person 'no, na minahal mo dati 'no. So, wow, definitely this is so fantastic. This is magical right in here because universe is granting you guys 'no, na ma-reunite sa isa't isa, 4 of Wands energy 'no. Yeah, what's wrong? What's wrong? Okay. I just saw something 'no. So, it might be like 'no, na kung sino man 'tong energy na ito 'no, possible na nung kanyang past life alam mo kasi, mga babes akala ninyo sa mga libro lang yun, alamat lang yun 'no. Yeah, bawal talaga 'no, umibig 'no. Ang isa rito 'no na, divine unseen forces 'no, sa mga ordinary people 'no. But it looks like 'no, because nakakasalamuha niya 'no, yung mga tao way back then 'no, and it looks like you have both 'no, na encounter sa inyong past life na puwedeng natulungan ka niya dati 'no, or, kayo ay nagkaroon rito 'no, ng encounters dati 'no. So, I do see na kung sino man ito puwedeng ito ay talagang, meron kayo rito 'no na love and, romantic history ng taong ito 'no sa kanyang past life 'no. Pero dahil hindi nga puwede yun, okey, puwedeng hindi kayo nagkatuluyan talaga dati 'no. It is the call of the universe 'no. No entities, no angels, no spiritual high beings 'no, na puwedeng ma-in-love sa isang human being. It's not just by the books, it's not just by the, movies and series 'no, but it's true, okey? Why is that 'no? Well, hindi ko talaga alam yung pinaka, reason why, pero isa lang yung alam ko 'no, na isa sa mga rason 'no, kung bakit hindi puwede, so that they can focus sa kanilang mga kanya-kanyang roles 'no, responsibilities, yung kanilang mga duties 'no, na dapat nilang tupdin at gawin, okey? But this person, okey, na person na ngayon 'no, nakikita ko dito 'no, that this person is also nandito sa lifetime period na ito together with you guys and you're meant to cross paths once again. Eight of Wands energy, yes. This time, binibigyan na kayo ng laya ni universe, no, na magmahalan. Wow, Ten of Pentacles energy, Four of Wands. So, I do see na kung sino man tong person na to, this is the one you marry. Okay? You will marry this person right in here, no? And with the Two of Cups, look at that. Okay, look at that. The Two of Cups energy, the Lovers right in here, the High Priestess. Wow. Okay, Magician, and there's this Temperance energy. Tell me. There's a lot of spiritual, no, connection going on here, no, surrounding both of you guys, no. So, you might be, thinking na hindi ata ako yan, miss yan, or whatsoever. But if you feel deeply connected into the reading, no, then, alam mo kasi wala kasi talaga nakakaalala sa mga past lives nila. Ne. Kasi, okay, yun ay, okay, parte ng memory, no, na super tagal na. Okay? We do not know kung ilang beses ka na na-reborn, right? No? Pero nagkaroon kayo ng encounter nitong tao na 'to 'no, in romantic, no, love situation 'no, way back sa inyong past life, okay? So yun yung nakikita natin dito 'no, and now the universe 'no, ay gina-grant 'no, ang inyo ritong love to continue in this lifetime. So I do not really know kung gaano katagal na kayo nung huli kayong nagsama sa inyong past lives 'no, but now the universe is granting reconnection, rekindling of love. Yes, I just heard kindred spirits, yes, no? And kung sino man 'tong mga energies na 'tong tinutukoy ko rito, no, you are someone who's spiritual sweetheart. Okay, you are someone here who understands universe, the alignment of the stars, okay, and that everything, no, is destined and fated to happen. Okay, if you believe that divine unseen forces, no, are real, then definitely this reading is yours, no, for the taking. So I do pick up that with the Nine of Wands energy, Ace of Cups, yes, Ace of Cups. Definitely, this is new love appearing here. Okay, and this time, nasa katawan na siya rito 'no, ng tao pero wala siyang kaalam-alam and so ikaw din, but your feelings 'no, andiya-diyan pa rin 'no. Yung feelings ninyo for each other nandiya-diyan pa rin kaya mabilis rin kayo rito magkakasundo, mapupukaw ang loob ng isa't isa. Taray na mapupukaw, I just heard that word. And I do believe that's malalim Tagalog word, ne. So, whoever it is 'no, kayong dalawa, temperance energy, talagang kayo ay pinagtatagpo rito muli ni universe 'no. And you know what, okay, this this not ordinary person ninyo 'no, this extraordinary person ninyo mga babes 'no, okay, 'pag nagkaroon na kayo rito 'no, ng connection ngayon, okay, parang alam niyo wala kayong pagdadaanan dito 'no, na challenge na mabigat sa inyong relationship 'no. Like parang kusa 'no, nadidistansya rito yung problem ninyo sa relationship. Everything will be smooth flowing sa inyong relationship and connection and yeah, because this is the present, this is the gift of the universe right in here 'no. And after all, okay, you're dealing here 'no, with someone who has a very magical past life, yes 'no. Kaya parang yung problema na yung mahihiyang lumapit sa inyo. Because ang person mo ay hindi human being dati, yes 'no. And for some reason 'no, maaaring hindi lang aware ang person mo rito, pero if ever na may encounter kayo rito mga problems na dini-deal, yung mga nakakausap niya rito like kunyari ikaw yung kumausap 'no, hindi kayo nagkaintindihan, nag-away pa kayo 'no, ng kung sino man yung kausap mo. Pero 'pag yung person mo yung kumausap sa kanya, it's like, "Oh, paano nangyari yun? Bakit parang okey na, naayos mo, na-close deal mo?" No, I don't know, yan 'no. Yeah, because your person right in here 'no, tinataglay pa rin niya with the 9 of Wands energy right in here in the High Priestess 'no, ang yeah, ini-embody 'no, ini-embodied pa rin niya rito 'no, ang kanya ritong mga other qualities 'no, nung siya ay hindi pa human being. Yes, you heard it right. Wow! This is so fantastic right in here 'no. So whoever it is 'no, na person mo, definitely not an ordinary one. Okay, you've got someone 'no, na yung ka-past life mo dito 'no, is someone who is extraordinary. So yeah, for the initials right in here, yes, we do have L, M, C. We also have here R, T, P, and dito rin number 1. And last but not the least, we've got letter U. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here para sa you. And again, I'm your Yana Oni. Sarang Hiya, Love, and Light. Annyeong.